Our cover story tonight is a study in contrast between two of the world's biggest economies. Yes, we're talking about India and China. Both of these countries are worth trillions. Almost 3 billion people live in India and China. That's roughly 40% of the world's population. In a changing world order, the growth path of these two countries matters. India and China are both economic powerhouses, both with immense potential. So when we hail this partnership, we must also dwell on the asymmetry in this equation, the wide gap between these two countries. And tonight we compare India and China and ask if India can replicate the China growth story. As always, we believe in relying on data to tell a story, cold, hard facts to see where we stand. According to the numbers put out by the International Monetary Fund, India is projected to grow at a faster pace than China. But look at what China has already accomplished, and this will not sound like a compliment. While India is in the process of building its first high-speed rail line, China has already laid out 20,000 kilometers of high-speed rail lines in the last 10 years. China has more internet users than India. More than 500 million people will be using the internet in India by the month of June. China crossed the 700 million mark last year. Only 3.3% of the Chinese population still lives below the poverty line. In India, that figure touches 22%. Almost 97% of the Chinese population is literate. For India, the literacy level just about touches 70%. Life expectancy in China is nearly 76 years. In India, it's 69. The point we're making is that despite India's faster growth rate, Chinese citizens seem to have a better quality of life. The question then is, how did they do it? China's growth story is mainly driven by investment in infrastructure, real estate and factories. Rise in consumer spending and the growth of the services sector has helped their economy. After the reforms of the 1970s, China experienced rapid economic and social development. It has already achieved the Millennium Development Goals. More than 800 million people in that country have been lifted from poverty after the Deng Xiaoping era reforms. The reforms put more money in the hands of the people, and these reforms enable the Chinese government to invest in areas like education and job creation. China has been the largest contributor to world growth since the global financial crisis of 2008. Between the year 2007 and 2015, China accounted for 30% of all global infrastructure investment. Sustained dominance in trade and export has earned Beijing diplomatic heft. It's a force to be reckoned with now. China has a say in the global economy debate. Numbers show a steady growth in exports, construction and consumer spending in the last 7 years. China last year said that its economy had expanded 6.9%. This was thanks to strong numbers in exports, retail sales, property markets. Such growth helps China combat other challenges like rising debt, growing pollution. Basically, they now have the money to invest in technologies that can fight climate change. So what sets China apart? How do they do it? The business-like approach to governance helps. Targets are set for local officials by the central government, and the Chinese president runs the system like the CEO of a giant enterprise. In India, we tend to blame the slow pace of progress on the large population. China's is larger. It has turned its population into its biggest strength, its asset. Of course, it wasn't achieved without some controversial policies like the one-child rule. Multiple studies into China's rise as an economic powerhouse say that this growth has been largely labor-intensive, driven by high levels of fixed capital investment. This is why China has become the destination for foreign companies to mass-produce their products. China's ruling Communist Party defines the country's economic model as, quote-unquote, socialism with Chinese characteristics. But the country still remains loyal to communism. The political class keeps a firm grip on every aspect of a citizen's life. Despite communism's failure around the world, China's meteoric rise on the world stage still continues.